it's Brian. I'm following up on our discussion regarding energy. Earlier, I showed you the solar panels and the wind turbines. Those cables which come underground come in the house via here, and then I run them down and connect them to the batteries that you see here before me. These, truth be told, are my original set of experimentation going back probably at least 10 years. I have 5 in total. I keep 3 here and I keep 2 in the RV. All total, I have a little bit more than 13 kilowatts of battery for storage. We keep, as I said, 2 in the RV and 3 here. You'll notice my arm is on this box. This is a Faraday cage. So Faraday cage blocks for EMPs, electromagnetic pulses, whether they be made by nature or man. An electromagnetic pulse will absolutely fry any electronics. So I built these. I researched a lot and then I built them. At the time, because of the batteries and what I had, I wasn't aware and the market hadn't caught up yet having Faraday bags large enough to store your solar generators and etc. So because of the age, I actually had to build these from scratch. Some of that learning is applied. Happy to share more with you. Feel free to email me. And the learning that I talked about is in bepreparedsolutions.co. We apply that learning and we brought solutions that I've learned the hard way and by trial and error with my own family. I hope it can help you and your family. Thank you.